Question B2, what is the sum of 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5? Now, you could either give your answer as a decimal or as a fraction with a common denominator. I'm going to go for the fraction with a common denominator. So a third, a quarter, and a fifth. Now, we need a number that is a common denominator for 3, 4, and 5. Well, one answer would be 60. 60 works for both numbers because 3 times 4 is 12 and 12 times 5 is 60. So I'm actually going to turn everything into 60ths. 60, 60, 60. Remember, it's all about how you turn each thing into 60ths. So 3 times 20 is 60. So I do the same to the top. 1 times 20 is 20. So that one becomes 20 60ths. 4 times 15 is 60. So 1 times 15 is 15. So a quarter is 15 60ths. And 5 times 12 is 60. So 1 times 12 is 12. So that becomes 12 60ths. So the sum of these fractions is basically means add them all together. So now we've got a common denominator. We know it's out of 60. And the question is, what do we get when we add 20, 15, and 12? Well, 20 and 15 is 35, plus 12 is 47. So the final answer is 47 60ths. You could have done it as a decimal, and you could have said that 1/3 is 0.3 recurring. So we'll just put some 3's in there, 0.3 recurring. You could have said that a quarter is 0.25, and you could have said that a fifth is 0.2 or 0.20. And if you add those together, you would get to 2. If you chop it off to 2 decimal places, you would get 3, 5, and nothing is 8. 3, 2, and 2 is 7. So to 2 decimal places, you would get 0.78. But obviously, you would have all those recurring 3's at the end of it. So 2 different answers there. 0.783 recurring or 47 60ths. Both of those answers are, of course, equivalent. So it's up to you which one you prefer to use.